Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how to make low carb lemon rolls. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. We are going to start with beating 3 egg whites until they become fluffy. Make sure for this you use a dry container. Now the egg whites have become a nice white foam, so I'm going to start adding erythritol. First I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of erythritol and then I'm going to mix it well. If you like it sweeter, you can add more of your sweetener. If you use erythritol, make sure you add them little by little. Now I'm going to add another tablespoon of erythritol. And then again, I'm gonna mix it well. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now my egg white mixture is ready. I'm gonna keep it aside and start beating the egg yolks. Now I'm going to add erythritol to my egg yolk mixture. Here also I start with 2 tablespoons. Now I'm adding another tablespoon of erythritol. Now the egg whites as well as the egg yolks are ready. So I'm going to mix these two together. For mixing them, I'm not going to use a hand mixer. I'm going to use a spoon and gently mix them together. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then I'm going to add the dry ingredients to this mixture. I start with 60 grams of almond flour, quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder and quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Again, using the spoon, I'm mixing the dried ingredients to the mixture. Now I'm going to add the last ingredient, 25 grams of olive oil. Here I'm adding a small amount of the cake mixture to olive oil first and then mix it well and put it in the cake mixture. In this way, we can make sure the olive oil is well incorporated into the batter. Now my cake mixture is ready to go to the oven. Make sure you preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to spread this cake mixture to make a thin and even layer. I'm using a spoon here to spread the batter, but if you have a spatula, that is even better. Once I make a thin nice layer of the batter, I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make my filling. I add 150 milliliters of heavy cream, 50 grams of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of erythritol and half a teaspoon of lemon zest. Then I'm gonna mix it well until I get the stiff peaks. You know your mixture is mixed enough when you see the stiff peaks. I'm gonna keep this in the refrigerator until my cake is completely cooled down. Now my cake has baked enough. I'm gonna let it cool down. Once it's completely cooled down, the first thing I'm gonna do is trimming the edges so we have nice straight edges. Now I'm going to flip it over and make shallow cuts on the cake. Make sure you don't cut through, it's just to make sure we can easily roll the cake. Now I'm gonna add the filling onto the cake and distribute it equally so it makes a nice thin layer. As the last step, I'm going to roll the cake. Here be careful that you don't break the cake. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new recipe.